everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class, and this is being class your 55 classes of the sessions. Lastly, we had done your 54 classes, and this has been the quantitative aptitude, where we had started with arithmetical ability, where that we are dealing with the ninth topic, that is surds and indices. Before that, we had done your operations on numbers or arithmetical ability. Then we had done your LCM and SCF and decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, and then we had done your averages. After that, problems on numbers, problems on ages as well. Then we had started with your surds and indices as well. This has been the ninth topic, and that is we had started with the last classes, and here we'll start discussing. We had done 43rd questions in the last classes, so today we'll start discussing about 44th question of the sessions. Before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Let's go ahead for the question here. If 2n plus 4 minus 2n plus 2 equals to 3, then n is equal to, that what we have to find out. And the options for the same we have here is 0, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. So we'll go ahead for the solution for the same, that what we have to find out here. So we'll go ahead for the same. 2n plus 4 minus 2n plus 3, that is being equals to 3. So 2n plus 2, 2 power 2 minus 1, that is b equals to 3. So 2n plus 3, that is we have 2n plus 2, 2 power minus 1, then 2n plus 2 is equals to 1. So that is being equals to 2 power 0. We take it a power here, n plus 2 equals to 0 and n equals to, that is b minus 2. Plus wala 2 idhar jayega, it will become minus 2. So the answer will get us n is equals to minus 2 here for the values, that what we have to find out here. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to find out, and that is being the important one as well. And that is here is your 45th question of the session. The question is, if 2n minus 1 plus 2n plus 1 is equals to 320, then n is equals to, that what we have to find out. If 2n minus 1 plus 2n plus 1 equals to 320, then n equal to, we have, so the options we have 6, 8, 5 and 7. For the same we have to find out, and that has been important as well. So we'll go ahead here. For the same, 2n minus 1 is plus 2n plus 1 is equals to 320. 2n minus 1, 1 plus 2 की power n equals to 320. 5 into 2n minus 1 is equals to 320. 2n minus 1 is equals to 320 upon 5, and which is 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and we have 2 here, so 5 4s are 20. It will be 64, which is being equals to 2 power 6. So n minus 1 equals to 6. ये माइनस जो है वो इधर आएगा, प्लस में हो जाएगा. 6 plus 1 is your 7. So n equals to 7. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which is being the another one as well. That is being 46th question of the sessions here. So the question states that if 3x minus 3x minus 1 equals to 18, then the value of x की power x is. Let's go ahead. If 3x minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 18, then the value of x की power x is. So the options we have 3, 8, 27 and 216. Let's go ahead for the same here. 3x minus 1 is equals to 18. 3x minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equals to 18. 3x minus 1 equals to 9, which is equals to 3 power 2. 3 to 3 3 is a 9. So it will resemble here x minus 1 equals to 2, and minus 1 जब इधर आएगा it will become positive, so it will become here x equals to 3. So the answer we'll get is x equals to 3. But we will be having a value here, so we will put the value and we'll find the value for the same x की power x. So that is being 3 की power 3. 3 3 is a 9 and 9 3 is a 27. So the answer we'll get is your 27. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead for the next question that we have to talk about it, and that is being the important one as well. We'll go ahead here, and that is being a new and another question as well. So on the same cases we go ahead, and that is being your the 47th question of the sessions here. So the question is 2n plus 4 minus 2 into 2 power n whole upon 2 into 2n plus 3 here, and that plus 2 minus 3, that is equals to, that what we have to find out. We'll put the value here, 2n plus 4 minus 2 into 2 power n whole upon 2 into 2n plus 3 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to, the options we have 2n plus 1, 9 by 8 minus 2n, minus 2n plus 1 plus 1 upon 8 and 1 here. That what we have to talk about it, and that is being the important one here as well. We'll find out for the same. So here we go ahead, 2n plus 4 minus 2 into 2 की power n upon 2 into 2n plus 3 plus 2 power minus 3 is equals to 2n plus 4 minus 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 4 plus 1 upon 2 की power 3, that is being equals to 2n plus 1 2 की power 3 minus 1 whole upon 2n plus 4 plus 1 upon 2 की power q, that is being equals to 2n plus 1 into 7 upon 2n plus 1 into 2 की power 3 plus 1 upon 2 की power q, that is equals to 7 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. So we'll take as an LCM say here, because we have a common, so it will be 8, and 7 plus 1 is 8, also 8. That is being equals to here is 1. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, which is being the another in the 48th question of the sessions as well. and that is being important too. Let's go ahead for the question, and that has been, if x equals to 3 plus 2 under root 2, then the value of under root x minus 1 upon under root x here, that is, we have to talk about it. This has been asked in CBI examination paper as well. So here we go ahead for the SAMs here. If x equals to 3 plus 2 under root 2, then the value of under root x minus 1 upon under root x is, this has been the important question because this has been asked in CBI examination paper, and that has been the important one in terms of competition wise. If I'm going ahead here in the detail about it, the options for the same we have 1 2 2 under root 2, 3 under root 3 here. So let's go ahead for the same and we'll find it out for the solution for the same here. That is the under root x minus 1 upon under root x square equals to x plus 1 upon x minus 2. It will be 3 plus 2 under root 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus 2. So it will be 3 plus 2 under root 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 under root 2 into 3 minus 2 under root 2 upon 3 minus 2 under root 2 minus 2, that is equals to 3 plus 2 under root 2 that we have plus 3 minus 2 under root 2, and which is a minus 2 equals to 4. For the same, it will be under root x minus 1 upon under root x equals to 2. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead for the another one that we have to talk about it. That is being the another questions here, which is being the 49th question of the sessions that what we have to talk about it. We'll go ahead for the same, and that is being the question is your 49th question of the sessions here. So the question states that given that 16 power 10 power 0.48 is equals to x, 10 power 0.70 is equals to y, x power z is equals to y power 2, then value of z is close to that, what we have to talk about it. This is also been the question is been asked in your CBI examination paper here. We'll go ahead. Given that 10 power 0.48 is equals to x, 10 power 0.70 is equals to y, and x power z is equals to y power 2, then the value of z is close to, this has been asked in CBI examination paper, and that has been the important one as well. So in the same cases, the options we have 1.45, 1.88, 2.9 and 3.7 here, and for the same we have to find out for this as well. We'll go ahead here, which is being your the solution for the same. X power z is equals to y power 2, so 10 power 0.48 power z is equals to 10 power 0.70 power 2 equals to 10 power 0.48x 48 z that we have is equals to 10 to the power 2 into 0.70, that is equals to 10 power 1.40 as well. On the same behalf of it, which we have 0.48, will solve power here, that is equals to 1.40, which is being equals to, that is z is equals to 140 upon 48, it will equals to 35 upon 12, is equals to 2.9 approx. Here the value will become here is in terms of it, that has been the 2.9 approx here, that what we'll have as an answer here. We'll go ahead with the 50th question of the sessions as well, that what we have to talk about it, and that has been the answer here. If m and n are whole numbers such that m power n is equals to 121, then the value of m minus 1 n plus 1 is, this has been the important question which is being asked in SSC examination paper, and that is the options we have 1, 10, 121 and 1000 as well. So we'll go ahead for the same here. If m and n are whole numbers here, that is whole numbers such that m power n is equals to 121, then the value of m minus 1 power n plus 1 is, this is we have to talk about it, and this has been asked in your SSC examination paper, and that has been the important one as well. The options for the same we have is 1, 10, 121 and 1000, and that what we have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead for the same, and we'll find it out for the same as well as I told you being, and this has been the solution for the same. As you, we know that 11 power 2 is equals to 1 power 121, that is 11 square is equals to, or we have here 121. So putting m equals to 11 and n equals to 2, we get m minus 1 n plus 1 equals to 11 minus 1 power 2 plus 1, that is equals to 10 power 3, and 10 to the power 3 when it is being opened, so it will be 1000 here. So that will be the right answer for this particular questions as well, and that is what we have to solve it out here. Now we'll go ahead with the next question that we have to talk about it, which has been the another important question, is your 51st question of the sessions as well. 51st question of the session, that what we have to discuss here. The question is being said here is 243 power n by 5 into 3 power 2n plus 1 upon 9n into 3n minus 1 is equals to the question mark. This has been asked in SSC examination paper here. We'll go ahead for the same. 243 power n by 5 into 3 2n plus 1 upon 9n into 3n minus 1 is equals to question mark. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. The option for the same is 1, 3, 9, 3 power n as well, and that will have to go ahead as well here. So for the given expression that has been given, as you can see here, we'll solve it out. We'll just break it out as well, which has been 3 power 5 whole power n by 5 into 3 power 2n plus 1 upon 3 2 power n into 3n minus 1. So that is being equal to 3 5 into n upon 5. This 5 been cancel it out here as well. 3 2n plus 1 whole upon 3 2n into 3n minus 1 as well. Will further continue, that has been 3n into 3 2n plus 1 upon 3 2n into 3n minus 1, which is being equals to here, so 3n plus 2n plus 1 upon 3 2n plus n plus 1 that we have here. For the same, it will be 3n plus 1 upon 3n minus 1, which is equals to 3n plus 1 minus 3n plus 1, which is equals to 3 power 2, that is being equals to 9 here. That will be having as an answer as well. Now we'll go ahead with another question that has been the important one as well, which is the question is your 52nd question of the sessions that what we have to discuss as well. The question states that numbers of prime factor is 216 power 3 by 5 into 2500 power 2 by 5 into 300 power 1 by 5. Yes, this has been the questions here, and now we find it out for the same. Number of prime factors in 216 3 by 5 into 2500 2 by 5 into 300 1 by 5 is the options we have for the same is 6, 7, 8 and none. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that what we have to talk about it. So we go ahead for the solution for the same. It has been representing the questions here that has been, we can see the following. We'll solve it out. Solution for the same is your 3 power 3 into 2 power 3. We had break it to 116 into 3 into. Then we have your power here is being 3 by 5. Then into we have your 5 power 4 into 2 power 2 that we had break in 2500 here. With a power we have 2 upon 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and that is being power 1 by 5, which we had break in here 300 into 3 here. For the same, now we'll further go ahead, continue with that. Is 3 power 3 into 3 by 5, 2 power 3 into 3 by 5, then 5 power 4 into 2 by 5, and then we have your 2 power, that is 2 into 2 by 5, and then we have your 5 power again 2 into 1 by 5. Then we have 2 power 2 into 1 by 5, and then we have your 3 power 1 by 5. For the next we have is your 3 power 9 by 5 into 2 power 9 by 5 into 5 power 8 by 5. 2 power we have your, that is being power, we have 2 power 2 by 5, sorry 2 power 4 by 5. Then we have 2 power 2 by 5. Then we have your 2 power 4 by 5, 2 power 2 by 5 power 2 by 5, then 2 by 5 into 2 power 2 by 5 into 3 power 1 by 5. So we'll solve the powers here as well. That is 3 power 9 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 2 power 9 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 into 5 की power 8 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. So for the same it will become here 3 power 2 into 2 power 3 into 5 power 2 as well. So hence the number of prime number of prime factors equals to 2 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 is your 7. So the answer we'll get is your 7 here, that we have as an answer. We'll go ahead for the next. We'll have to talk about it here only, and that is being the important one as well. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that is being important as here. So now we will be going ahead, and that what we have to talk about it, and that has been the another one as well. We'll go ahead with a 53rd question of the sessions as well. So the question is number of prime factors in number of prime factors in 6 power 12 into 35 power 28 into 15 power 16 upon 14 power 12 into 21 power 11 that we have. And the options for the same we have here is 656, 67, 112, and one of these, and that what we even though have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead for the same here. So with this we talk about here, and that has been the important one. 6 power 12 into 35 power 28 into 15 power 16 upon 14 power 12 into 21 power 11, 2 into 3 power 12 into 5 into 7 upon 28 into 3 into 5 power 15 whole upon 2 into 7 power 12 into 3 into 7 power 11. Then next we talk about it 2 power 12 into 3 upon 12 into 5 upon 28 into 7 upon 28 into 3 upon 16 into 5 power 16 whole upon 2 power 12 into 7 power 12 into 3 power 11 into 7 power 11 as well. So for the same 2 power 12 minus 12 into 3 12 plus 16 minus 11 into 5 की power 28 plus 16 into 7 की power 28 minus 12 minus 11. And further it has been equals to, which is equals to 3 की power 9 by 5. That is being we have here is your that is we have to talk about it, and that is being the important as well. So it will be on the same cases we can say that here as what we have to find it out, and that what we will have as an important as well. So on the same cases we have 2 power 0 into 3 power 17 into 5 power 44 into 7 power minus 5. It would be represented 3 power 17 into 5 power 44 a whole upon 7 power 5. So the number of prime factors we have to find out, and that has been here number of prime factors that we have here is 17 plus 44 plus 5, that has been equals to 66 here, and that will be the right answer for the same, and that what we even though have to find it out, that will be the 66 here for the same. Now we will be going ahead for the next question, that has been the another question is your 54th question of the session as well, and that has been important one. 54th question of the sessions that what we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one. So the questions we have here as follows is 1 upon 1 plus a n minus m plus 1 upon 1 plus a m minus n is equals to question mark. This has been the important question because this has been asked in MBA examination paper as well, so that has been the important one when we are going to talk about it. So the options for the same we have is 0, 1 by 2, 1, and a की power m plus n here. So we'll go ahead for the solution for the same here as well. that is b, we have to do it. So 1 plus a m n minus 1 and m minus 1 here, that is being representing in the form of 1 upon 1 plus a की power n upon a की power m, that is being plus 1 upon 1 plus a की power m upon a की power n, which is being equals to a की power m upon a की power m plus a की power n, that is being equals to a की power m plus a की power n upon a की power m plus a की power n is equals to 1. So we'll have the answer that is being equals to 1 here, and that will be the right answer for this particular question as well. I'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one here. It's been 55th question of the sessions as well. So the question states that 1 upon, this is also been asked in your MBA examination paper, so we'll go ahead for the same. 1 upon 1 plus x की power b minus a plus x की power c minus a plus 1 upon 1 plus x की power a minus b plus x की power c minus b plus 1 upon 1 plus x की power b minus c plus x की power a minus c is equals to question mark. This is being asked in your MBA examination paper on the same case, that has been the important one as well. So the options for the same we have here is, that is being as follows, was like the options is 101 x की power a minus b minus c, and none are here, as that has been important for the MBA examination paper as well. So we'll go ahead for the same. 1 upon 1 plus x की power b, x की power a plus x की power c upon x की power a plus 1 upon 1 plus x की power a upon x की power b plus 1 x की power c upon x की power b plus 1 upon 1 plus x की power b upon x की power c plus x की power a upon x की power c as well. So that is being equals to here x की power a upon x की power a plus x की power b plus x की power c plus x की power b upon x की power a plus x की power b plus x की power c plus x की power c upon x की power a plus x की power b plus x की power c, that is being equals to x की power a plus x की power b plus x की power c upon x की power a plus x की power b plus x की power c. It will be cancel it out, we'll get the answer is your equals to 1 here. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. Now we'll go ahead for the next one, that has been the another question, has been the 56th question of the sessions as well. The question states that x की power b upon x की power c whole upon b plus c minus a, x की power c upon x की power a, which is being your c plus a minus b, x की power a upon x की power b equals to a plus b minus c equals to question mark. This has been asked in your LIC examination paper, and that has been the important one as well, and which is important too. So let's go ahead for the same, and that is being the important here. The options for the same is x की power abc 1, x की power ab plus bc plus ca, or x की power a plus b plus c here. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that has been the important here. So for expressions we have x की power b minus c, then b plus c minus a, x की power c minus a, c plus a minus b, x की power a minus b, a plus b minus c. Now that is b x की power b minus c, b plus c minus a, b minus c, x की power c minus a, c plus a minus b, c minus a dot x की power a minus b, a plus b minus c, a minus b, x की power b square minus c square plus c square minus a square plus a square minus b square, x square minus a, b minus c minus b, c minus a minus c, a minus b. Here for that it has been equals to x की power 0 into x की power 0, which has been equals to 1 into 1, and that has been equals to 1. So we'll get the value that has been the 1 here as an answer. We'll go ahead with another question that being the ask here is the 57th question of the sessions, and the questions being here is that has been as follows: x की power a upon x की power b, a plus b, x की power b, x की power c is b plus c, x की power c, x की power a is c plus a equals to question mark. So the options for the same we have here is the 0, x की power a plus b plus c, x की power a plus b plus c, and 1. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that was b. We have to answer it out as well. So we'll go ahead for the same question. So here we go ahead. Solution for the same is your x की power a minus b, a plus b, or x की power b minus c, b plus c, x की power c minus a, c plus a. So for the same it is being equals to x की power a square minus b square, x की power b square minus c square, x की power c square minus a square equals to x की power, I just write it on here, x की power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. So these all were values being cut here, a being cut by a, b plus minus a. It will be x की power 0, and that is being equals to 1. So we'll get the answer here is being the 1 here will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be going ahead with another question that what we have to talk about it, and that is being the another important questions here. And here we'll be ending it up because in the next coming class we'll continue for the same, and that is being the 56 classes there, and for that the question we talk about is the 58 question of the sessions as well. So here we'll be ending it up. It's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, if I'm going ahead here in the detail about it, other than quantitative aptitude, we had done your sociology and software engineering, and after coming towards that we had completed that as well, and after that we are dealing with the your chemistry for class 12, that we had done your unit 1 for the CRT, which is important for the academic as well as for the competition, where we had done unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7 as well. and unit 8 and unit 9 as well. We had completed that, and after unit 9, and then we had done elements and this on the atomic numbers and the molar masses as well. Other than that, we talk about it. So yes, we had done your which is in terms of it, we had done your we are dealing with the reasoning, where we had completed your verbal reasoning, which has been general mental ability and the logic reasoning. And other than that, we are dealing with the non-verbal reasoning, where we had completed your series and a logic classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete patterns, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice and dot situations as well. Other than that, we are dealing with cubes and dice here right now. In terms of quantitative aptitude, we have dealt with this has been divided into two sections, which has been arithmetical ability and the data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had done in operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages. And now we are dealing with the surds and indices, where we had reached 57 questions here. After completing this, we will start discussing about percentage, profits and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on trains, boards and streams, allocations or mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combination, probability as well. Then we are dealing with the true discount and bankers discounts, height and distance, odd man out series. In data interpretation, we had to cover up tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs as well. So before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers, those who had visited our channel, those who had subscribed to our channel, thank you for that. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, those who had not yet done that. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.